Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this dartboard. So this is a really neat idea of a dartboard because it actually collapses down and it comes with a carrying case. It comes with 4 different colors of balls that you can use and a little shooter that you can use with it too. So we're gonna get this thing out and we will check it out. It is packaged really well. And I've got my son and daughter here to play because this has a little spider on here, like a little Spider-Man thing. Pops right out and you've got like an Elsa on this side and then Spider-Man on this side. So it's good for both boys and girls and would make a great gift. So this dartboard is a 29-inch dartboard and you have all the different points all over it. So then in this little container here, we will get out the little shooter and get it hooked up, and then I'm gonna let my kids play. Here's a look at the dartboard up close. It's just a nice flexible center. It's a nice soft material that the Velcro balls will be able to stick to. It's got all your numbers real nice and big, and then it's got this nice wire around here, so then we can fold it back up here. You do have a hook on the back that we'll hook it up on the wall. I've actually just got a nail already on the wall, so I'm just gonna use that. But it does come with a little sticky hoop that you can use on the wall. And then here is your little shooter. So I had to piece it together. This piece just snaps right in here. And then they give you little Velcro pieces that you hook through. And then you can put it on your wrist and pull it back and you get it cocked in place. And then we push this down to pull the ball out. This would be great for even learning with math because you can have them add up all their points and keep score. And these little Velcro balls are sticking really well. All right, let's turn it around to Spider-Man. Okay, and the balls have this nice Velcro on all the sides, so it makes them real easy to get on and off. So kids can easily pull them on and off. And then we'll get it flipped over to the Spider-Man. And we'll play on his side for a little bit, and then we'll get it shown in the carrying case on how easy this thing would be to be able to travel with and take it to parties, over to friends' houses. It's a nice little dartboard. It does a great job sticking with these little things here.
4 shots at once. Here we go.
Woo!
Oh, good.
So here's the hook that you could use if you wanted to. It's just got a nice sticky on the back that you just stick it on the wall. Or if you're like me and you had a nail already, that works too. Now we've got our little carrying bag. I'm just gonna take this off. We're gonna put all the balls inside of here. So then we take the dartboard. It's kind of like one of those rafts that you take and you just kind of turn it and it will then circle up for you to be able to put into the container. So now we've got our nice circle here and we will just stick that inside here. Put our little launcher in there. Cinch it up. You got a little backpack. You are ready to go.